let's start with chapter number 7, Introduction to WordPad. In this chapter, I will tell you about how to start WordPad. You're formatting the document, opening, creating a new document, and saving and existing. Matlab how to close it. So let's start with the chapter. So WordPad is a word processing software which is used to write text like poems, reports, letters, and anything else that we want to type and print. So let's study about starting WordPad. So click on to the start button, click on all program accessories. From the list of options, here you will find the option of WordPad and you will double click on it and your WordPad window will appear. There will be a different components of that window. So let's study about menu bar. It contains tabs that is working on the WordPad. So this is your menu bar, this is your ribbon, and this is your work area where you will work. Now you want to create a new document. For creating a new document, how you will create a new document? First of all, you will click on WordPad button on the top left corner. From the drop down list, click on new option. A new WordPad document will appear. You can start working on a new document. जैसे आप करोगे कि आप नए document पे work करना start करोगे. Now formatting a document, changing the appearance of the document by changing the font size. आप उसका font size, उसका font color, font shape सब change कर सकते हो. इसको हम formatting कहते हैं. What we call it? Formatting. Now changing the font. Now you want to change the font for so that the font option style, the letter you type. To select the font, the steps are as follow. First of all, what you will do, on the home tab in the font group, click on the arrow next to the font family option. The arrow will turn orange and it will list up different types of font types. Now second, select the font type of your choice and press enter key. Now you can start typing with your font. Whatever font you will select it, the letters or words will be written in same font. Now changing the font size. Now you want to change the font size. So for that, on the home tab in the font group, click on arrow next to the font size. The arrow will turn orange and it will display a list of font size. So select the size you wish to have and press the enter key. Start typing with your favorite font size. Whatever the font size your favorite one, you will start typing. Now saving document. Now we have written everything. Now you want to save. Click on the WordPad button on the top left corner. Drop down list. You will click on save option. A save as dialog box will appear. तो आप जाएंगे उस पर क्लिक करेंगे and you will write the name of the file, whatever name you want to write on that. And you will click on save button. The WordPad document is saved for further use. Now opening an existing document. So click on the WordPad button on the top left corner. From the drop down list, we click on open option. Auto open dialog box will appear like this. Now clicking on open, type the name of the file you want to open and click on open button. And the required document will be open. Or you can also use a key called Control plus O to open. Now existing, after completing and saving your work, you want to exit the WordPad. For that, you have to click on the WordPad button on the top left corner. Right, from the drop down list, click on exit option. This will close the WordPad window and your WordPad window will be closed from there. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.